Hey there, it's Casey Dimon here, TaxSaleAcademy.com, and welcome to our weekly tax sale tip series. This week, I wanted to share a strategy that has served me incredibly well. It's very simple. Find dedicated buyers. Now, I've discussed this strategy behind using a buyer's list many times over the years. I have an extensive workshop on this topic inside the Tax Sale Academy. But in short, you're going to work like crazy. You're going to leverage your marketing so you can get as many responses as possible. Then you add all these potential buyers to your buyers list so you can contact them with additional similar properties in the future. A good buyers list allows you to send out a single email or maybe even a text message and have a committed buyer very, very quickly, often within minutes if your list is quality enough, perhaps even with a non-refundable deposit already hitting your account. Usually, these are going to be other investors who will buy your properties quickly at a discount below fair market value. Then they will resell themselves and they'll make some money and everybody wins. Now, there are strategies behind it, but the most important thing is to not dilute your list by offering lousy properties or lousy prices. I know that if I was to contact people on my buyers list, they're going to jump at that opportunity right away. But this is not a full episode on just building a buyer's list. Instead, over the years, I've noticed a trend where about 15% of the people on my buyer's list will buy the overwhelming majority, perhaps 90% or more of the properties that I offer. So I have a very small minority buying the majority of the properties. Now, the other 85% of the people on that list do buy the remaining properties. That's fantastic. And it usually beats the marketing methods through conventional means. But those 15%, that small minority, those are my most dedicated buyers and the ones who I make the most money off of. Now, they're also going to be repeat buyers. When I deal with them, I know that they will do exactly what they say. If they say that they're going to wire money tomorrow morning, first thing when the bank opens, that wire is going to come tomorrow morning. They're also usually much easier to deal with than the others. They're not nitpicky. They do their own research. They don't need hand-holding. Literally, it's a simple transaction. Money in, deed goes out. Obviously, they enjoy dealing with me because of past interactions with me. I provide them with the opportunity to make money on the properties that I am reselling to them. I've nurtured those relationships by doing what I say I'll do and refusing to send them lousy deals. That's either properties and or price. Everything works out and everybody is happy and they enjoy our working relationship, as do I. I get a lot of requests to be added to my buyers list. And I do add people from time to time, but I typically know that those 15% that buy the majority of my properties are going to be the first people that I go to. They'll be the easiest ones to deal with. And they'll provide me with the fastest turnaround times. So when you're building your buyers list, the intention is not necessarily to grow it to as big of a number as possible. The intention is to make sure you have the most quality buyers as possible. Now, when you're dealing with potential repeat buyers, people that actively say, I want to buy multiple properties, you need to do everything in your power to make the transaction go as smoothly as possible. Then go back to them time and time again. Provide them with the deals. Help build that relationship. If somebody is difficult to deal with, remove them from the list entirely. It is your list and your list alone. A buyer's list of 6 or 7 solid investors who are repeat buyers can easily propel you into the top 5% or even 1% income levels. Big buyers lists, yeah, they can be helpful for some properties. But be sure you nurture, you take care of those dedicated buyers and do everything in your power to keep them around. Those dedicated buyers are the ones who are going to make your life so much easier while making your business so much more profitable. So as you build your buyers list, there's going to be a certain percentage of, call it cream, that rises to the top. There are going to be a certain percentage of people that you know have become your go-to people. When you find those dedicated buyers, do everything in your power to keep them around, because you can both be very happy. You can both make a lot of money in the long run, and it's going to make your tax sale business grow even faster than you might imagine. Hopefully this helps. We'll see you next week. Take care, folks. For more information on tax sale investing, make sure you check out all the links below or our primary site at taxselacademy.com. Take care. Bye-bye.